Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can stop advertise in Oppo mobile phone. So if you visit a untrusted web and accidentally you hit unnecessary button that comes up with a ads. So every time you open one of your app, open setting, there is a advertise popping up on your Oppo phone. So please be careful about the ads. You can try to prevent, you can try to stop the ads on your Oppo phone by setting the a DNS, a private DNS on your phone. So first thing to do, you can open settings, then you can try to tap on connection and sharing. You can tap it here, connection and sharing page. You can try to enable airplane mode, personal hotspot, Bluetooth tethering, screencast print, and VPN. And this is the private DNS that I'm use right now. Designate private DNS by tap on a designated private DNS. You can modify, and I'm using dns.adguard.com in order to stop the ads on your phone. And also there are so many private DNS out there that can prevent or stop the adware on your phone. And please, you can add designated private DNS in here. So feel free to try to stop or prevent ads on your Oppo mobile Android. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.